Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply basically the same video transition to all of your clips at once in CapCut PC. I'm just going to select a few of these flower videos and I'm just going to add them here, making it a little bit smaller. Okay. So to apply the same video transitions, pretty simple. You'll need more than one video. Then you are going to select the transitions bit right here, and you're going to select the video transition that you want. For instance, you want the, let's say dissolve one. Okay, let's say this one. I'm just going to add that here. Okay, this one is not showing. That's why. I'll add like another one real quick. There we go. And I'll add like another one here. Okay. So I want to add this video transition to all of the clips. So I'm just going to basically select the, actually I'm going to add this black. I'm trying to find one that looks, okay, I'll just use this one. Select this. And then just simply select apply to all and it will be applied to all of your videos. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!